guys, my name is Jordan. I'm going to be telling you about slime. Slime is the best thing you can ever think of. So, my first ingredient will be an egg and dishwash. And I'm going to be using a cup, a container, and a teaspoon. So you are going to use an egg, so you need to break the egg. You can use any egg you can use. You can use 1 egg, 2 egg, it depends with you. But you need to pour more dishwash than the egg. That's gonna be enough. Then you're gonna twist it. Then it becomes thick and thick as time goes on. Now it's becoming thick and thick. Now it's finished. Then you put it in a container. Then you don't open it, you leave it closed for 1 day. So you're going to be twisting and twisting. Now it's thick. So you're going to be, when it's like this, you have to take it and close it in a container. Then put it where it's hot. Then tomorrow you can open it, then you'll find your perfect slime. So this is my slime. Isn't it beautiful? But it isn't finished, so you have to put it in a hot place where it can be better. And it will be sticky for 1 day, then after it will be better. So I would love to have 55 likes. Wakanda forever.